channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'll be doing an unboxing and I'll be also giving you mini reviews of this month's fab bag, that is January 2021.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
For people who don't know what's a fab bag, so fab bag is a monthly beauty subscription bag and you can subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and you will get amazing 3 to 4 products on an average every month. So that's what fab bag is. I'm going to mention their website in my description, so definitely check that out. So this is how this month's fab bag looks like. It's a beautiful bag. So they have different colors, like I got the black color. There are 3 more colors other than black. So this is how the bag looks like. It's a very spacious bag and it has a chain enclosure, as you guys can see. First we got 3 cards in there. First is a normal card wherein they have mentioned details of all the products along with pricings. Next is their In My Fab Bag contest card wherein you just need to read the rules and participate and then you can win prizes. And third, for the first time Fab Bag is promoting some movie called Misbehavior and it has asked to follow the Fab Bag and PVR pictures. I think they have some contest going on regarding this particular movie, so maybe I'll also check that. So the very first product that did not come inside the bag but inside the box is this beautiful C2P. It's their Epic Matte Lipstick. It's liquid lipstick and then there are 4 liquid lipsticks. I absolutely love the box, guys. I mean, just look at it. It's a beautiful metallic box and you can, use this particular box. So this is the covering. They have beautifully packed the lipsticks. So this is just one cover and this is how the lipsticks look like, guys. I'm really happy with all the shades. All the shades will suit the Indian skin tones. I'm really happy about it. I'm going to swatch each and every shade for you. So currently I'm wearing this beautiful pink neon shade. Now the formulation is nice and liquidy and it took around 1 to 2 minutes to dry it up, and once it's dried off, it's transfer proof. So I'm really happy with the lipstick already. So I'm going to swatch every shade for you. Absolutely loved all the 4 shades and I'm so happy about it. The next up is Watere. It's the multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream. Now this is from the brand called Watere. Now I have used another cream from the same brand and it is really good. So this is how the cream looks from inside. Yeah, so really looking forward to use this. Next is from a brand Skinlicious. It's the cucumber gel with aloe vera and coffee berry. So it's a gel kind of a thing and it's for skin as well as for hair, and it is the Ayurvedic recipe 100% botanical extract. That is what it written here. It's 100 ml product and the MRP written over here is 299. So yeah, so on the back they have given all details. I'm just going to show it how it looks like. So this is how the gel looks like. It looks exactly like aloe vera gel. Since it has cucumber in it, it feels really cool, as in it is giving a very soothing and cooling effect, and it smells refreshing. So really looking forward to use it. Last but not the least is a holographic nail paint from the brand La Roy. Now this is a holographic nail paint and I'm wearing this nail paint right now, if you guys can see. Yeah. So this is in the shade Mauve. So this is a beautiful lavender shade which will give you a holographic feel when you wear it. Yes. This time Fabbag did not give any product choice or any shade choice, because I got a message from them saying that there will be no shade choice this time and they'll be directly sending products. So I'm really happy with this month's Fabbag, especially the C2P, the set of 4 matte lipsticks. It's amazing, guys. I loved it, and the box is also really nice. So overall, I love this month's Fabbag and I'm very excited. So I think that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.